How's that look, Annie? I should probably come around. Nonpolar covalent. Good job. Nonpolar covalent. So, yeah, they both have weak forces and weak covalent bonds. Good. Do these conduct electricity? Do organics conduct electricity? What's the matter? Reflection? Okay. Do these conduct electricity? No, they don't have ions. Good. Good. As the number of carbons goes up, Althea, what happens to the boiling point? It goes up. Good job. Good job. All right. Let's talk about isomers. Let's talk about isomers. What the heck is an isomer? Two organic molecules with the same number, same number and type of atoms, but different structures. Again, the analogy, Mr. Potato Head, or the Catherine clone. Wouldn't you guys like to have a clone of yourself? You can have the clone, like one clone does all the work and then one clone just has fun.
No.
Or one clone sleeps, the other one does stuff.
And then one turns evil and
Kills.
One turns evil and kills the one that isn't evil. You guys ever see that movie with Hugh Jackman and he's a magician?
Yes.
Okay. It's a good movie. It's a real good movie. You guys should check it out. What's it called?
What you're talking about.
I can't remember that.
Don't give anything away. Just in case anyone sees it. But, oh man, I just had it. I lost it. Anyways, magician, Hugh Jackman. You know, he's the man because he's Wolverine. Alright, back to this. Two organic molecules with the same number and type of atoms, but different structures. So, their molecular formula is the same. So, let me give you an example. C4H10 and C4H10. Those two are identical. However, if I draw them differently, so if I draw this with a straight chain, here's a straight chain. That's called butane. That's called butane. This one, if I draw like this, that's not called butane. They both have 4 carbons. They both have 10 hydrogens. Sorry, my lines are really messy there. They both have the same number and type of atoms. They're both alkanes, saturated alkanes, right? But this one's called butane. This one's called 2-methylpropane. 2-methylpropane. So that's what an isomer is, and you need to know that. That's actually a really, really common Regents question. They'll say, which of the following is an isomer of blah, blah, blah. Or they'll say, which of the following is an isomer of butane? And then they'll give you structures. That's the only one it could be. That's the only way you can rearrange 4 atoms. You can't take 4 carbon atoms and make it look any different. That is the only thing you can do. Some students say, wait a second, can we do this? Isn't that different than that? No, it's the same. That's why I do that, put those on the homework. Look if you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all connected. It's just taking this carbon and bending it. It's still butane. So the only way to change the structure and to get what's called an isomer is to take the carbons apart and literally reattach them in a different arrangement. So take one off the end and stick it in the middle. That's what I always tell students. Okay? So these are isomers, just an example. We're going to do another one here in a minute. I'm going to have you draw stuff, then we'll get someone up here maybe to draw. Okay? So I'm going to give you a name. You're going to draw an isomer of it. Okay? We're going to do right now. So these are called isomers. And these isomers have different properties, like boiling points. That one here would have a lower boiling point, because Desiree just told us. Right, Desiree? Right. Okay, here we go. Pentane. I want you guys to draw an isomer of pentane. So, here, I'll draw an isomer of pentane. Go ahead. I'll give you a minute or so. I want you to draw an isomer of pentane. Again, what is an isomer? It is the same number of atoms and the same type. What does that mean? If it's C's, H's, then your isomer can only have C's and H's. You can't throw in any random elements. It just has to be drawn different. So the structure looks different, therefore the name will be different. So go ahead, take a minute, a couple minutes, see what you can do. And there is more than one answer here. Some of you should enjoy that. More than one way to skin a cat. It is. I don't know where that phrase came from. Who skins cats?
Pie Fisher.
All right, let's not call him out.
Oh, he's still Ben pays cats. Yeah, never come back. Yeah.
Okay.
Ben,
Okay.
yeah,
That's weird. Let's stop it.
It's true.
All right, let me see what you guys have here. Let me see your knowledge. Yeah, and Miss Summermatter actually suggested that. She was suggesting like stadium seating, sort of, without the elevation, and creating kind of like a U shape. I might try it.
That sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, because you can do one row, and then the next row in front of it can be staggered, so there's no one hidden. Build in some risers in there.
That would actually make it much easier.
It'd be called the, what would it be called? The chemistry amphitheater. What do you call that place when the gladiators fought? Coliseum. The chemistry Coliseum. That's what it'd be called.
Good alliteration.
Before every class, we can have a battle. You'd use scrupulous. Shank each other. Just kidding. All right, where's my mark? You guys look like you did a good job. Who's it gonna be? Liam, what do you got?
I got 3-methylbutane.
3-methylbutane. That's good. Except that doesn't exist. Did you draw that? That's not 3. That's 2. Why? Lowest number. So you can call it 1,2,3-methylbutane, but I'd prefer 1,2. 2-methylbutane. Good job. That is an isomer. Good job. Who has a different one? What'd you get, John Todd?
2-ethyl.
Hold on, you confused me there for a second. 2-ethyl. Like that? Yeah? Are you sure? That is correct, but this is the longest chain. So it's 2-methylbutane. Same thing Liam just drew. You can. I could run like this. I could have done that. Alright, bell's going to ring. So I'm going to stop. But the good news is I have a worksheet for you. Hold it. Don't move. Don't move. Now, I'm going to tell you which ones to cancel here. Cross off. You don't have to do all of this. Sorry, ran out of time. Alright, here we go. Make sure everybody's looking at it. It's just one side today. Cross off.
We need another one.
Oh, I'm sorry. Cross off number 4. And number. Oh, that's it. Sorry, that's it. That's it. Yeah, you guys want to come up and watch the video? Come on.
Yeah.